In this video lesson, we are going to learn how to create our own user-defined methods in Java. So let's start a new project. And let us take a JFrame form. Okay, now the JFrame form is displayed. Now let us consider that we have two text fields, JText fields, to input two numbers, and third text field to display the sum of two numbers. Let us change the text property of all the JText fields. Okay, we have to take three labels. First number, okay, and then we have second number, and sum is displayed in the third text field. Okay, now let us take one button. We are taking one button here, and simply we are writing display sum. Okay, now what exactly we wish to do is we want to input first number in the first text field, second number in the second text field, and whenever the user clicks the display sum button, then the sum of both the number is displayed in the third JText field. Okay, now we want to write a user defined method in Java that would take the two numbers from the corresponding text fields and would display the sum in the third text field. So what you have to do is we have to write the appropriate codes for that. So let us do that. Here click the source tab, and here in the source tab look at this line @ suppress warnings. Just below this line we want to write the method. Suppose the name of the method we are having is, we wish to give it is sum. Okay, and we are writing the definition of the method, that what exactly this method is supposed to do. So first of all we have to fetch the values entered by the user in the given text fields. For that purpose we are declaring two variables, a and b, or first comma second. We have two variables and we want to display the sum in the third JText field. For that sum we are taking third variable. Suppose name of the variable is addition. So we have declared three variables, first, second and addition, and the data type of all the three variables is integer, int. Okay, now first equals to, we have to extract the value from the first text field. So we shall write here JText field 1 dot get text. Okay, but here we have to use the wrapper classes because the string needs to be converted into integer data type. So we have to write integer dot parse int and parse int, then gtext field 1.getText. okay, in the same fashion we're writing second equals to integer.parseInt gtext field 2.getText. okay, and in the addition variable we are writing first plus second, means the values which has been fetched from two gtext fields and are in first and second variable, they need to be added and to be assigned to the third variable, that is addition variable. So in the third text field, gtext field 3.setText, we simply have to write the addition of two numbers. okay, with the help of setText method we wish to display the sum in the third text field. Now this is the definition of the method. We have designed or defined a user defined method sum. Name of the method we have given is sum, and its return type is void, means wherever and whenever we call it, it will not return any value, and it will perform the job as per the instructions that we have written within the body of the method. So the body of the method, our user defined method, starts from this curly brace and ends with the closing curly brace. okay, now if we simply run this application, what will happen? What is expected here? If we run this application, suppose first number we are inputting is 4 and second number inputting is 7. So if we click the display sum option, nothing is happening. Reason being, although we have defined the method, body of the method has been defined, the appropriate instructions to get the sum has been put in the body of the method, but it shall not function. We have skipped a particular statement, that is, we have not called the method. Though the method has been defined, but it has not been called yet. So to call this method, what we have to do is we have to write it at the, we have to call it at the appropriate place. Means here we have J button, and whenever the user clicks this J button, then the sum needs to be displayed. So here we have to write the appropriate codes for calling this method, that is sum method. So when we call the method, at that time we don't give the return type or the argument data types, etc. We simply have to write the sum statement. What the machine shall do is it shall see if a method has been defined with the name sum, and if it is so, means if the method is there, if user defined method with the name sum is there, then it shall transfer the control to the definition part of the method, and it shall execute all the instructions that we have put under the body of the method. So this is the definition of the method, okay, and this one is the calling of the method. We are calling the method here. Okay, we want to perform the job for which this method has been designed. So let us run the application. Okay, now first number, suppose we are inputting is 4 and second number we are inputting is 7, and if we run it and if we click the display sum button, then sum we are getting is 11. What exactly is happening is, when the user clicks the display sum button, then the machine checks that what code has been written within the body of this J button action performed method, and here it finds that sum method is called. So it shall check if the method has been defined. If it is defined, then it transfers the control to the user defined method's body and accordingly executes all the statements that are the part of the method. So that's how we can define our on method. Let us give some other inputs. First number is 10 and second number suppose is 899. So it's giving us the sum as 909. So in this video lesson we simply have designed our first user defined Java method. We learned that how to write the body of the method and how to call it. In the next video lesson we shall design one more example where we shall have more than one methods and we shall call them accordingly.